Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever hidden an app on your iPhone and now can't figure out how to get it back? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, go to the app library and locate the hidden folder where your apps are stored. Just tap on the folder to view the hidden apps. Next, press and hold the app icon you want to unhide. From the options that appear, select Don't Require Face ID. After successfully authenticating with Face ID, the app will be unhidden and will reappear in the app library. To bring hidden apps back to your iPhone home screen, follow these steps. Go back to the home screen. Swipe down on your home screen. Use the search bar to type the name of the app. Once you find the app, long press its icon until a menu appears. Tap on Add to Home Screen. This option will bring the app back to your home screen. That's it. Your app is now back on the home screen, making it easier to access. And that's it. Now, you know how to unhide apps on your iPhone with the easiest method? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.